Good morning, toast lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast perfection with the Breville Toast Select Luxe 2-Slice Toaster. If you're tired of inconsistent toasting and want to start your day with a warm, golden slice of heaven, you're in for a treat. Join me on this journey as we explore what makes this toaster a game changer. The Breville Toast Select Luxe 2-Slice Toaster isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's your secret weapon to crafting the perfect toast every time. Here's why it deserves a special place on your countertop. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all toasting. With 6 preset bread settings, this toaster automatically adjusts the toasting time to suit your chosen bread type. Whether you're indulging in an English muffin, hearty whole grain, or delicate fruit bread, this toaster has got you covered. But what if you want a bit more crispness? That's where the "a bit more" button comes in. It's like a magic wand that adds that extra touch of perfection. And if you're a curious toaster who loves to peek, the Lift and Look feature lets you check on your toast's progress without interrupting the toasting cycle. Have you ever struggled with oversized artisan loaves or thick bagels? The Luxe Toaster's extra wide slots can handle them all with ease. From delicate pastries to substantial slices, this toaster accommodates them gracefully. Not only does this toaster perform flawlessly, but it also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. With its luxe blue finish inspired by damson plums, premium brass accents, and backlit push buttons, it's a statement piece that takes pride of place on your countertop. The Luxe Toaster goes beyond your regular morning routine. It features a frozen function for thawing out chilled slices, a cancel function for quick stops, and the "a bit more" function for that ideal crispness. It's a toaster designed to cater to your every toasting need. Worried about over-toasting? Don't be. The LED countdown indicator keeps you in the loop about your toasting progress, so you can have your toast exactly the way you like it. Plus, the Lift and Look function is a game changer for the curious toasters among us. In conclusion, the Breville Toast Select Luxe 2-Slice Toaster isn't just a toaster, it's a morning ritual enhancer. Say goodbye to inconsistent toasting and hello to perfectly golden slices every time. Elevate your breakfast game and make your mornings shine with this modern kitchen marvel. Ready to experience toast like never before? Click the link below and bring home the Breville Toast Select Luxe 2-Slice Toaster. Say hello to your new breakfast best friend and embark on a toasting journey that guarantees perfection every slice.